Oh, my color. What happened to you?
Well, I was on my way to deliver some passengers until some silly car ran over past me and then apparently made me crash into these buffers. What the? Who are you?
My name's Ace, mate.
Well, can't you at least move out of the way? This is a railway, not a racetrack.
I'm sorry, mate. Can't talk right now. I'm on a very good racer now.
This isn't a race. You're the only one here.
Oh, well then I'm sorry. Well, see you later.
Oh no. Oh, that stupid race car.
Well, Thomas did tell me a lot about this race car. But if you're able to catch him, I might report this to Sir Topham Hatt.
Good. I don't want to deal with that race car in my line again. Oh, there it is.
Mate, what are you doing?
It's time for your punishment.
I gotta get out of here. Oh no. Help! Someone help me!
This is what happens when you mess with me. Goodbye, Ace. Have fun in the car shop.
Not cool, mate. Not cool.
Wait. Hey, lady, you forgot about me!